got happy Halloween to me and happy Halloween to you guys. And
it's my favorite holiday, by the way.
it is. It's Gayle's favorite holiday.
It is. I love Halloween.
And she's wearing my favorite Halloween tank top. So what's today, Gayle? Today, Gayle's gonna drive a Supra.
I am.
Since the weather's so nice. And
she's my favorite.
Yeah.
Not that I don't like the Dodge, but she's my favorite.
Yes.
But for those of you who've watched all of our other videos, or some of our other videos, you'll know that I like to go fast. So that's why she's my favorite.
So Gayle's going to drive the 2JZ-GTE, world's finest stock factory look Supra today. So we're going to get this out on the road and let Gayle have some seat time with it today. So I guess we'll see him in the car, Gayle, huh?
All right. See you soon.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.
All right. We ready?
You ready, Gayle?
All right. I'm ready.
Looks good my way.
Yeah, it's good mine.
Talk about going from one extreme to the other.
Yeah, totally.
It's like a whole different, totally different experience going from Dodge to this thing.
The gas pedal's a little more responsive
Oh,
in
yeah.
this.
Yeah. This is one you sit in the seat, not on the seat.
Totally. This just hugs you.
Yeah, this car is just, oh.
I love this car.
You guys ever drove a Mark II Supra? The seats. All the Supras, they have first gen, second gen, third gen, and fourth gen. If you ever driven any of them, the Mark II has the best chairs in the house.
Oh, they do. They're so comfortable.
I've been in all of them, and there's nothing that compares to a Mark II seat. It's just awesome. It's like almost like, I don't know who stole what. Did Toyota steal it from Recaro? Did Recaro steal it from Toyota? I don't know, but
I don't know either. But it's comfy.
yeah. Yeah, that sound. It just wants to rip.
I know, it wants to go.
Yeah, it does.
It wants to go.
Where I'm hoping for is the way these GoPros work, the audio, you gotta almost be talking directly at it so it stays focused on your voice, because if you get a little wind noise, it wants to concentrate on finding where the sound is.
Right. Well, what are you doing? You have a stop sign.
And no turn signal. Well,
I had my turn signal.
No, she didn't.
Oh.
That's why you put your turn signal on even if there's nobody there. It's a good habit. Sunshiny day. Of course, you're going around turns fast because that's what you like to do. She drives faster than she does in the Dodge.
Well, this car handles differently.
Yeah. Yeah. It's funny how 20 years, there's 20 years difference between the Dodge and the Supra.
I know.
You go from 64 to 85, it feels like you're in a modern car. And shit, this thing is an antique now. Literally is an antique.
It is.
And the 2JZ is an antique.
Yeah,
but it's still relevant.
Pricey one.
Yeah, it's still relevant. $10,000 to buy one of these now.
I know.
Nobody wants to negotiate the prices. They're all gone. They're all being bought. Whatever's left, if you want to get one, you got to get one. Worth $10,000 more.
Right. This is a very narrow road.
Yeah, Mark II Supra. You're gonna tell all the fans out there who like Mark II Supras.
I'm gonna tell them that if they want a Mark II Supra, they have to get one with the 2JZ.
Yeah. Yeah, that certainly sounds pretty awesome.
It does.
We didn't even open it up.
No. Well, these really aren't the roads to do that.
Well, I don't know.
It's too bumpy, too hilly.
Yeah.
But it is fun.
Yeah. Power corrupts, doesn't it?
It does. And, you know, it's bad for me because I like to go fast.
Yeah, you get a ticket quick.
I would.
Yeah, you would. Well, you're a girl. You can talk your way out of it.
Yeah, I guess it depends on what I'm wearing.
Right. Exactly. Oh, was I speeding?
Oh, I'm so sorry, officer.
Yeah.
I'll just try to up at my baby blues and hope for the best.
Yeah. Did you ever see a 2JZ and a Mark II before?
Let me show you what's under the hood, sir.
Yeah.
And hopefully he's a car guy.
Yeah. Boy, all the crap's falling out of the trees now.
I know. Well, it's that time of year.
Yeah.
And, I mean, again, Halloween's my favorite holiday, so, you know.
Well, you're dressed appropriately for Halloween.
Yeah, I got my orangey tank top on.
Yeah. I don't know if we're going to get time by the end of the season, but I would like to take this down to the drag strip and see what it'll do.
Yeah, that would be a lot of fun.
Sticky track,
Right?
real cold weather.
Right?
Never turn this thing up all the way as high as it'll go.
Well,
I have gone, I have set it on 15 pounds once, and I might be able to include a video clip of that, but me and my buddy Tommy took it up to Lehigh Tunnel one night. The Lehigh Tunnel is 1/8 of a mile long, and we rolled into the tunnel about 65, 70, and it'll go from 70 to 120 almost a little over halfway through the tunnel to give you an idea how fast it goes. Woo! That was wicked. That was freaking wicked, man. Damn. But I'm thinking if we get a cool night and the track's slick enough, I don't know, I think the thing is going to trap low 12s, high 11s.
oh, that would be so fun.
Yeah. There's that horse crap again.
I know.
They make people with dogs clean it up. But people with houses, or people with horses, not houses, they don't gotta scoop them off the road.
I know.
So I don't know, we'll see. We have a friend with a Hellcat. He's been a little reluctant to race this thing.
It has been.
It's
yes.
bone stock, but it's stick shift. So I don't know.
Well, I said that I could drive the Dodge on a longer trip and be comfortable, but I could drive this on a much longer trip and
Oh,
be even more comfortable.
Yeah, this car you can drive.
Yeah.
It fits like a comfortable pair of
A nice worn-in pair of jeans.
I was gonna say
Hugs you
slippers.
It hugs you just in the right places.
Yeah. ones aren't fast though.
Well, then you gotta get yourself a 2JZ-GTE.
People in the comments section ask me how hard it is to do, and it's hard to do. If you're gonna build one on the level of which this one is,
Right.
but we're gonna make videos about that. Maybe when the weather gets crappier outside, we'll go in the garage and we'll start making the build videos for this car. I did record a lot of stuff, but it's on an old G9 camera, so we might just redo it and add small clips to it. But I did document most of the build, but we'll see how creative we can be as far as giving people an idea. Once Joe gets his lift, which is hopefully the end of November, I'll be able to put this up on the lift and show you guys a lot more details. It's easier to see because when you're looking in the engine compartment, you just really can't see a whole lot. Everything's pretty much hidden. What'd you think of that, Gayle?
Oh, she's my favorite, Brian.
Yeah, I know.
She is my favorite.
Yeah.
I could drive this car all day long.
Yeah. Yes, it could.
I love the Dodge. I do. But, yeah, this one's my favorite.
So should we do the 8 seconds of Gayle plug in the car, or should we add the...
I didn't know we were doing one. Hey guys, you like what you see? You do? Awesome. Do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button down there for me so you get to see a whole lot more.